In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to apply fields in DocuSign so you can streamline your documents and make the signing process smooth and professional. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more 2025 tech guides. To get started, head over to DocuSign and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your documents and agreements. It's basically your central hub. From here, click into the agreements section where you can manage drafts, signed documents, and ones in progress. For this tutorial, let's go into the draft section since that's where you can make changes before sending anything out. Find the draft you want to edit and hit continue. This takes you into the editing page. On the left hand side, you'll see the fields menu. This is your toolbox. From here, you can drag and drop fields like signatures, initials, dates, and more directly onto your document. Adjust their size and position so they fit perfectly. Each field can also be customized. You can make them required or optional, and if multiple people are signing, you can assign fields to specific signers. This makes sure the document flows clearly and nothing is missed. Once you've placed and reviewed all your fields, your document is ready to be finalized and sent out for signing. It's that simple. Just drag, drop, and customize. And that's how you apply fields in DocuSign in 2025. If this guide helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials.